received a question on my page regarding the tinnitus. Tinnitus, we have to make it as an acute and chronic. Acute is most probably caused by acoustic trauma and most of the time cause a hearing loss. If it's acute and causing hearing loss, there are 3 treatment measures for the hearing loss and for the tinnitus. First, steroid, taking generally tablet, not necessarily injection. Second, hyperbaric oxygen. Third, we inject cortisone or steroid inside the ear, very close to the inner ear. Therefore, the inner ear absorbs this cortisone and helps with the healing. Third is hyperbaric oxygen. That acute noises or acute tinnitus caused by hearing loss. We treat the hearing loss, therefore the tinnitus will improve. Second is the chronic tinnitus, which has been there for a long time and most probably is caused by hearing loss. In this case, hearing aid will help because soon we hear the outside noises properly, the inside noises gradually will disappear. My advice to you is avoid loud noises. If you are in a party, in a wedding, if you find very loud noise, or either ask the host to reduce the noises or leave the place. It happened with me last month. I attended a wedding. The noises in that hall was indoor, was hurting my ears. I left after half an hour, but when I stayed at home, 2 hours of very bad tinnitus. Therefore, this is my personal experience. Escape. The avoidance or protection in your ear is the first treatment, is prophylactic. If you are in a very noisy atmosphere, if you can either ask them to make it down or just leave the place. This is protection. Third, with the tinnitus caused by in a factory or caused by chronic exposure to loud noises, it has to be, this is pollution. Therefore, we have to measure the noises in that factory and either reduce the working hours or wear a protection. We wish good health for everyone.